with LeafGuard, it's one piece system. It gets ran out in one full piece, and this way it's stronger. The water will follow the top of the hood and round itself in, and it just works out great. Very good investment. K-style open top gutter. It gets clogged very easily. You're gonna be cleaning it out 2 or 3 times a year. And if you try putting screen on, if you put it on your roof, eventually that screen will lift up your roof and mess up your shingles. So when you do take them off, you're gonna see memory in the roof standing up, and it's just gonna be kicked out. It's gonna look awful. LeafGuard, well, adding gutter, lifetime guarantee. There's no clogs, and everything's under warranty. If you even think there's something wrong with it, we'll come out, we'll look at it. If there's something wrong, we'll replace it. Everything's free.